Hi, hello. Today you're going to learn how to do handwritten text over video with a transparent background. This is an amazing technique to visually explain concepts, giving the impression of a magical transparent whiteboard with both me and the content within the frame. This technique is both engaging and informative, so I figured I'd make a simple tutorial for you on how to do it. It's surprisingly easy, and once you learn how to do it, the possibilities are endless. And don't worry if you're new to filming or editing. This video is for you. Here are the tools that you will need: an iPad, an Apple Pencil, a note-taking app, or an app where you can change the background to black. And that's super important, and you'll see why later in this video. You'll need a camera to record yourself. Any camera will do, even the one on your phone. And you will also need a video editor. I use DaVinci Resolve. There is a free version and a studio version, which you can get linked down in the description. And by the way, I have a ton of tutorials on my channel. Step 1, planning. Before diving into this overlay effect, think about the concept or the story you want to convey. Visualize it clearly, whether it's a math problem, a graph, or simply just a brainstorming session. Most of the effort goes into planning, as a clear concept will make the following steps much easier. For this tutorial, I'll keep the example simple. Step 2, recording. Find a suitable location to film your shot. I'll use my YouTube space, but just pick a space that feels comfortable. Now grab your iPad and your Apple Pencil and open up the app of your choice. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use Procreate. It's an amazing application and I highly suggest it. No, this is not a sponsored video. So once you've downloaded your app or have Procreate open, come up here to the gallery and select this cross here on the right-hand side to start a new canvas. You can select whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna come back to this project that I've already started. And the first thing you want to do is swipe down from the top right-hand corner of your screen and select the record button. If you don't have that, you'll have to go into your control center on your iPad and make sure that that record option is available. So once you've started doing that, go ahead and click record on the camera. Now, for example, if I wanted to draw on this video right here, I know that I'm sitting on the right-hand side, right? The desk is basically right here, and then I have my monitor. So everything I'm going to want to do is pretty much on this side of the screen. So I'm going to erase everything real quick. And for example, if I wanted to kind of talk about the layout of my room, I could just simply say, I'm sitting here. I have my light source. I can talk about my light over here. And then also I have like my hair light. So I could just put like a little thing right here. And then also, I could have desk. And then monitor. There's nothing crazy about what I'm doing right here. I'm just kind of visualizing what I would be doing on the screen and where I want to talk about certain things. Then stop recording on your iPad and stop recording on the camera. Now what you can do is airdrop the video file from your iPad to your computer and drop in the SD and dump the footage onto your computer as well. I'm in DaVinci Resolve now, and in my timeline, I have the clip of me just sitting here, and I also have the screen recording of the video file. So if you try to drag this right on top of this clip here, you will see you'll just have this exactly the way it was recorded. So there's a few things that we need to do. The first thing we want to do is crop this side of the screen, because you can see the adjustments for Procreate. So with that top clip selected, our screen recording, you want to come over here to the right-hand side and select on the cropping option and crop left just a little bit. Then the reason I have you write on a black background is because we're going to change the composite mode. And what you want to do is come down here to where it says composite, and under composite mode, click on normal and you'll have a drop-down menu. Scroll down until you see lighten. Now we have this magical transparent whiteboard. Now what's really cool is if you want to come up here to the adjustments, you can zoom in and out. Now the last thing you need to do is simply just line it up to where you are talking and what you're talking about. Depending on what you're talking about and how you want to present it, that will come down to you. And all you have to do is simply just drag this clip back and forth to get the timing right.